Hello there, and a happy new year from MarkSharks. In this episode, MarkSharks celebrated the year by attending and showcasing our app at the Bal Bharati School Winter Carnival. The event was highly anticipated, and many students from all over New Delhi attended the carnival. The atmosphere was filled with anticipation, and MarkSharks set up a private kiosk where we eagerly awaited young students to show them our app and have them participate in our fun quiz. The participants and top performers of our quiz were awarded with special merchandise prizes and big discounts to use our app for themselves. We at MarkSharks believe that a child learns best when their mind is visually stimulated, and we took in the beautiful sights and sounds of the Winter Carnival, its musical performances, and student parade. Many children came to see our app and play our fun quiz, and many won special prizes. If you want to take our fun quiz, it's not too late. Simply click the MarkSharks Fun Quiz link in the description box of this video. We were also in for a special treat as we managed to have a private interview with the principal of the Bal Bharati School, Mr. L.V. Sehgal, who was very interested in our app and when it comes to the future of Indian education through e-learning. Here is what he had to say.
So, sir, in your opinion, what do you think is the future of education with e-learning tools like this?
No, e-learning is a part of everything now. And I think that e-learning can benefit the children because education will be available at any time and at their own pace they can learn it. Because everybody cannot learn with the same speed. I think one of the major advantages is that the children can learn at their own pace.
So what our app has is also pre-test and post-test. So we can actually test the child before they learn a concept, and then we make them study the concept from our games and visual interactions, and then they can take a test after that. So they're actually checking their own progress and actually teaching themselves.
Best wishes to you. May you do very well.
Thank you, Bal Bharati School, for letting us be a part of this amazing day, and thank you for watching this video and supporting us through this year. We at MarkSharks promise to keep returning stronger than ever in our resolve to help every young mind be the best that they can be. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram to stay connected with us and be the first to see our new content which we release every week on all our social channels. Stay safe, Happy New Year, and see you again real soon. We are MarkSharks. It's not about studying, it's about learning by doing.